Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Acer Predator laptop. Today we will do a complete service on it and also change its cooling paste. The dust is gathering here. Its model number is N20C3. Let's fix this. First, unscrew all the screws on the back panel. Open the back with the help of an opener. Disconnect the battery connector. Unscrew the heatsink. Disconnect the display connector. Take out the heatsink. Clean the heatsink. Do not remove paste that is not yet dried. Clean the CPU. Unscrew the fan and remove it. Unscrew the fan. Remove the fan and clean out the dust. Pack the fan and reinstall it. Clean the other fan in the same way. Connect the fan. Apply cooling paste to the heatsink. Apply CPU paste to the processor. Install the heatsink and tighten the screws. Connect the display connector. Tighten all the screws of the fan. Connect the network cable. Connect the battery connector. I will turn it on and check. You can see the fan is running. Check by increasing the fan speed. You can see it is working correctly. Done. That's all for today. See you again in a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.